Well, how's it going? Riding Texan here. We're going to have a little bit of nasty weather come through the next couple of weeks, so I got out here and washed up Ghost. I did an install of some lighting on it yesterday. I added the fog lamps that go over the fairing. That's one of the reasons I bought this fairing. I wanted to see how that's going to be. So that's what they look like right now. Looks pretty good to me. Hope that'll help with visibility out on the road. You know, here in Texas, we got a lot of deer and a lot of hogs, and hopefully that'll help light up the sides of the road a little bit, plus make it a little more visible for the cars. I also did a change out of the zombie baffles to the medium baffles for my tab performance 4.5 BAM sticks. As a follow-up video, I'm going to do a sound comparison. Here's kind of what the medium baffles sound like. To me, that takes the edge off of the BAM sticks. Now, the BAM sticks, they did sound good going down the road to somebody else, but when I had a half helmet, it wasn't too bad. But as soon as I went to a helmet with a face shield and everything, the sound just come up inside the helmet and just reverberated around. And after about 4 or 5 hours of that, I was done. And I'd put the stocks back on it for a little bit because I was having trouble getting the baffles out of these. And after a lot of WD-40 soak in and beating on them, I finally got the zombies out. But it was not the easiest thing in the world to do. But I got them out and ordered a set of medium baffles from Tab, got them in there. And so far, I'm pretty pleased with them. So to kind of get ready, I don't know if I'm going to be able to ride or not for the next 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to put a little stay bill in it. It's supposed to be in about 2 ounces, 2.5 gallons, or 2 ounces through this tank. So anyway, I'm going to run down to the gas station now and top off the tank. Then I'm going to take a little short 10-mile ride or so and get everything mixed up well. let that thing cool off, come out here and put the cover on it. Hopefully, I got a package coming in from the Law-Abiding Biker store. And I got a little few goodies to put on. I ordered a Kraus Easy Shift so we can hit neutral a little easier on the M8s. And I ordered some of the Figurati dipsticks with the magnet in the dipstick. I ordered one for the transmission and one for the engine. I'll be pleasantly surprised if they do exactly what they call for, but see what else did I order? Oh, some more bug slide. Can't live without the bug slide. I think that's all I ordered. Anyway, until next time, riding Texan here, keep the shiny side up.